Thank you.
You have taken a lot of pain
Yeah.
and treated all of us very well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And excellent arrangements by you.
Thank
well
you.
planned. And the organization is excellent.
Thank you,
We
sir.
enjoyed the trip like anything.
Yeah,
And it was
really.
very memorable.
Thank you.
Tell it now, tell it at the last.
No problem, we can tell anything.
Sir, the trip is very good.
And James,
You are organized the things in
But
a very good manner.
tour manager not so good.
Tour manager only I am telling. You have organized it.
Your manager is very smart and active.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Very patient. That is important.
Thank
He is
you.
very cooperative, very friendly, smiling,
No, he had taken care of everyone.
and he has got all the adjectives.
Thank you, ma'am.
Not adjectives. Correct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
You should not tell like that.
She's a teacher, na, so she can use those words.
James has a knack of making everything positive from the negative.
Yeah, that is
Because, for example, today, just I was telling, it is a beautiful way to wait outside.
yeah. All shops closed.
Huh?
All
No,
shops
you,
closed.
no, you have to wait for 10 minutes, but it is a beautiful waiting.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And everything is closed, and nobody is there to ask us.
So, anything you all want to comment, sir? Would like to comment?
Yes, James, you are a wonderful organizer, tour manager.
Thank you, sir.
You have rectified the shortcomings of the tour operators and made it more pleasant.
Thank you, sir.
We're all happy.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. You like to share, ma'am? Kannada? Yes, please say in Kannada. सर कन्नड़ में मेरे को कुछ बोलेगा तो मेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಲಂಡನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಾವು ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೂವಿನದ ಆಸೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದು ಆಮ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ಯಾಮು, ಅದಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮೆಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಇದು. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾರನ್ನೂ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಂದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಊಟ ಟಿಫನ್ನು ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಕ್ಕೋ ರೀತಿಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರೇ ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
ನೋಡಿ, 15 ದಿನ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 15 ದಿನದ್ದು. ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ 19 ದಿನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವೊಂದು 48 ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನೂ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನೇಹನೂ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಗಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 48 ಜನನ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಕರವಾದ ವಿಷಯವೇ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರವಾಸಗಳು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದವರು, ಆದ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನಂದವಾಗಿ ಕಳೆದಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನಸ್ತಾಪಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಜವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿವರೆಗೂ ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ 15 ದಿನ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ದಿನ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಆನಂದನ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ನಾವೇನು ದಿನಗಳು ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದೇವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಾಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಸನ ಯಾರು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಾರಿಯಟ್, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದಿ ವೇ the entire travel program has been arranged in such a way that there is absolutely no inconvenience at any point of time or at any point of stage. All the conveniences are thought over so very deeply and trying to make our travel a great comfort, not only a comfort but a great pleasure. And the Chariot group of people, they have selected, I believe, such tour managers who not only create such a great cohesive atmosphere for all, they try to create the happiness amongst all of us. And one such great tour manager and our great friend is James.
Thank you.
We feel so very happy to be a friend with him. He is the youngest of all our lot, but like a big elder brother to all of us. He has looked after so very well, affectionately, lovingly, with all the care, whatever he could try to garner himself. And the great thing is, this person is so smiling all the time. He has not annoyed anyone, I believe, and he has got great patience. He has borne all our troubles for himself, and not a single time he has shown any anxiety. He has never exhibited any such type of moments where, I mean, you could feel that, oh, he's tense. Absolutely not. He had some situations, but he kept under such a good control. Really, we had to be very, very thankful to him. Each day was a great day with James Haley. The way he has guided the entire tour and on every day, it's been very, very great experience. James, we are going to carry with us all the great memories, and all our memories will be associated with James.
Thank you, sir.
So we wish our James a very, very healthy, happy and prosperous life. James, the children are always telling, the small children who are with us here, they would tell, James, give us gems. Really, see, children have realized, children know the truth. Yes, where is the gem? Yes, here is the gem, that is James.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, I don't know, there are a lot of experience we have had, and I can tell you that there have been almost nil, almost nothing at all of any inconveniences. Okay, maybe there may be few points such as some places where the food may not have gone well with us, but that's okay, that is part and parcel of our entire travel program. But then that is not fault of our tour manager. That is one thing. And then possibly the seating arrangements could have been, I don't know what to say. I'll just leave it at this. That can be thought over for the future. Maybe not necessarily by James himself, but then how the things have to be sorted out. Because all people in this particular regard, sometimes they try to, I don't know what to say, try to do what all people want to have their own seats, all people want to come there, they want to have the best of the comfort. But then, I mean, this is not possible. All the time we cannot have the best of everything. But still, I mean, I can tell that we have had the best of everything. Why not? Even though I have been sitting sometimes in the lost seats, but that has been a good comfort. Food was very good. Hotels are not bad at all. Definitely, I mean, some of the hotels are really very, very good. But the only concern for all of us, and only one small little trouble, was about the breakfast, where the fruits were assured to us, but the fruits did not come. And most of the time it was only all pastries and bakery items. So overall, I mean, I would not like to only point out it, but overall, I mean, it was a very good hotel. The food was definitely good, and all the Indian hotels wherever James has taken us, wonderful. We had a very, very great good hotel, and we had a good food, and none of us had any problems in regard to food, and nobody's stomach got upset. That itself shows that, I mean, the food has been good, hygienic. Well, I think to say, keep on saying so many things, I would be denying other people to say their few feelings. So I would like to thank once again James.
Thank you,
and
sir.
all of you. Let's keep this friendship lifelong, and let's be in touch with us through WhatsApp or whatever media. I mean, we can just find out and then do that. So let's be in touch. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಹಳ ಆನಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರು ಬೇಜಾರು ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು. ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವುಗಳು ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಪರ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Chariot World Tours, the way the visa and other issues have been handled by the local Bangalore office have been extremely helpful. I thank Chariot for the same. And when it's a matter of keeping 48 feathers of a flag together, Mr. James has ably handled the entire group.
Thank you, sir.
Minor hiccups, they are bound to happen, and they should not come in the way of our enjoyment of the whole tour. I would strongly suggest that when we are away from our country, we need to adapt ourselves to I should say we should be extremely happy with the arrangements made. The dinner part, wherever it is packed, there has been a cause of concern for someone. But as I said, we need to adapt, and 9 countries in 18 days, a travel of about 5,000 kilometers, all with all the constraints of the statutory requirements for the driver. I think the entire itinerary has been scheduled very well, and we are thankful to Chariot and also Mr. James, who with some of the improvisations has not made any inconvenience to any of us. And last but not the least, I thank every group member for having a proper understanding and carrying on with the whole tour in a very amicable and enjoyable manner.
Thanks.
Thank you once again to Chariot and Mr. James.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We had this 19 days of journey, and whenever there were some inconveniences, James has been reminding us that we have come here to enjoy. We should forget all these inconveniences and proceed. And we were also have been focusing on adjustments, trying to enjoy as much as possible, forget all the negatives and the inconveniences. So I think this is a very good lesson that we have learned during these 19 days of journey. If we extrapolate, life is also a journey. If we can adopt the same principles of forgetting the inconveniences, focus on enjoyment, because there is not much of difference between the 19 days journey and the life journey. The only difference is, here we know when it is going to end, but in life we don't know when it is going to end. That is the only difference. So, during the rest of our life, let us practice these principles. Let us focus on enjoyment. Let us ignore the inconveniences. Let us adjust. Because there also we are going to meet different types of people of different personalities. So why should we spoil this life for the sake of certain inconveniences? Let us focus on enjoyment. And finally, I thank Mr. James, Mr. Paul and Mr. Zach for making our this journey smooth and pleasurable. I wish all my colleagues and the group members very best in their life.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Thank you so much.
Tanya Malole. Okay. First and foremost thing, okay. So this is the first time I've come in a group or a tour. So naturally I liked it very much.
So first and foremost, I am thanking all my the group members, because we never had any misunderstandings. And first of all, most the thing what I liked was the humorous conversation we had among ourselves. So that I really enjoyed. I thank one and all. Second thing is, okay, the Chariot, of course I liked it. So I'm going to recommend Chariot to my friends and my colleagues and all that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And third and the most important thing is about our manager of the tour. So I don't have to tell you, because you're all experienced it. So last week itself, or within the 1 week of a travel itself, I told Mr. James that, James, you are a gem.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
naturally, you all know that. So I really thank him on behalf of one and all of this group.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
And fourth thing, regarding the accommodation, the food, everything. So I really thankful. We enjoyed all the Indian food wherever we had, and also I don't have any complaint regarding the breakfast. Okay. No, but I don't have any problem with that. Okay, so some are telling that they had problem with the packed food, but anyway, because when we come out of our house, we have to accommodate and adjust to everything.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't have any problem
Thank
with
you,
that.
thank you.
Yeah, and only the James asked us yesterday that he wants to improve on some accounts. So I'm just giving the suggestion. So I think the Chariot can take it. So past 17 days we never had problems with the breakfast. But only thing is, after coming to Paris, little shortcomings are there. I think I don't have to explain it what we had shortcoming. Hope, okay, either the Chariot can change the hotel, or else they can see to it that, okay, the tourists are not experiencing any inconvenience.
Yes.
And the last one, we all call him James, the gem of a person. But one suggestion I want to tell James, that you're too good for everything. So I think you should be little strict with the tourists. Yeah, then only there won't be problem with the seating arrangements or the wherever the inconvenience. I want you to be little, at least, dictator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, with the captain of the bus, we don't have any problem. So both were good. Mr. Zach is also good, and Mr. Paul is also good. Thank you one and all for being a good group members. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
We really didn't know when we thought of doing the 16-day trip with our two little girls. We always were extremely skeptical of what would be in store for us, whether their health would be fine, whether the food would be fine, whether what kind of group we will be together, whether we'll be able to sit in the bus for so long. But after these 16-17 days that we spent, I'm gonna miss this entire 17 days for my entire lifetime, for sure. I'm gonna start with the group members first. I think we had different age groups, right? We had someone like Mr. Hiramait, whom I spent a night with, in terms of spending some time having few drinks with him, and shared some of our life moments together. Doctor's advice, Mr. Nagbhushan's family, Mr. Deepak's family. I've had a lot of my own personal moments with many of them that I will cherish for a very long time. Alok, Trinay, and the way the kids gelled together, it was phenomenal. They would come and spend time along with us and have their own share of funny moments and agitated moments together. I would certainly miss all of them. But I think, on every single day, when we used to start in the morning, we would always struggle to finish the breakfast. Our family would probably be the last one most of the times. I would, tell my wife that let's not embarrass ourselves again and again. Let's at least try and be on time next time. But even in Disney, we actually kind of came 5 minutes late. But when kids are around, you kind of have to go with sometimes their wishes, whether it's food or whether it's wanting to spend extra time and not necessarily stick to the time. So I apologize to everyone, especially I know I think it was in Rome that we came 8-10 minutes late. So the whole group had to wait. So I sincerely apologize to all of you for that. The amount of talent that we have in this group everyone who used to come and sing, the mimicry that was being done, the advice that was given by doctors, or just sharing, everyone's kind of personal stories on different topics. It was phenomenal. I really, really enjoyed it. Finally, I know there were a lot of comments made about the fact that people had to wait for food or the table arrangements were kind of inconvenient. I think I completely agree with all of them, and I would probably echo the same thing in terms of feedback to Chariot, is that if that can be taken care of by way of the attitude of the restaurant owners, that it is not a favor that they are doing on us, but it is part of their service. There were many who actually did a really good job of serving with their heart and not just for the sake of serving the group. And I think we just probably need more of them to make the entire experience enjoyable. I did have some tussle with the guy in the hotel, yesterday, but eventually it was ended up in a funny note. So I didn't necessarily take it to my heart, but I know many of the other members were feeling kind of similar point of views around they're not treating us in the same way that they would probably treat any other member. So I think that would be probably my only feedback. But I think Chariot has done a phenomenal job in arranging the itinerary. I guess the one thing I keep reminding myself that there have been at least 80% of the different places that we went. I would probably take each of them and make an individual trip just to that place, to come to that place, see and go back to India. It was that valuable for me to be in some of those places, whether the top of the Mount Titlis, whether Jungfrau, whether the falls, as well as whether it's Colosseum, Rome, Vatican City, all of the places. You would probably just do a trip just to go there and come back, and we would probably be able to cover all of that in 16 days. It was a tough itinerary. It was really, really hard for us to get up in the morning and plan it, but finally I'll come to Mr. James. James, you've been phenomenal. You have been unbelievable by way of the level of knowledge that you've imparted to us, the information that you shared on each and every location, even before we could reach there, really allowed us to visualize some of those things in a lot better way. And trust me, I am extremely fortunate to have had you, and I'm sure the group feels the same way as a tour manager. We've had our own set of issues, but that is more out of frustration that comes from the childs, but you have been amazing.
Thank you.
You're going to have a great career ahead, James. You're going to be a even better tour manager. I think whether it is Chariot or any other firm that eventually you end up with, I think they're going to be fortunate to have you as a tour manager. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Nitin.
And I hope to meet you again wherever you are. We will probably, I think if there is 100% credit that goes, by way of the experience that I've got, I would say 80% of that would be to you, James, and 20% to Chariot. Just because how much ever itinerary you can create, if you can't plan it and execute it as a tour manager, some of those things certainly fail. I've seen other tour managers in some of the places, either it was Thomas Cook or Cox and King, literally, trying to shout at each and every member to get them back, and they were already 20, 30, half an hour late to their scheduled time, but we didn't have to do any of that. And I think, the entire credit goes to the group to make this experience worthwhile for me and for my family as well. So, thank you all.
Thank you, Nitin. Thank you so much.
Fixed so good, and it was just like a timetable program. And everywhere we had a very good time, and I wanted to see the Colosseum and Pisa Tower from so many years. I was very happy to see all those things.
Thank you.
And the next first most thing, I want to thank James. James was really a good leader. He has got lot of patience, and he is a very good friend of mine. I would like to wish him for a happy, prosperous life.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I was very happy with the children, especially Trilok, and Alok,
Trinay.
Alok, Trinay. See, they were so good friends, so their names also have been joined. So, Alok, Trinay, and their two daughters. Really, I love them so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening to everybody.
Hello,
Good evening.
Everybody has spoken very nice words about Chariot, about James and everything. And all of us want to carry good memories. But I have come here to give a little bitter dose.
No problem.
Yeah, bitter dose will definitely cure the disease. So it will be a bitter dose. Please swallow it.
Yes, sir.
And you can forget later on, because I will not be seeing you every day. So everybody has given how chariot should improve, chariot should, how James can become better, how he can organize this thing and all those things. I agree, fully agree with all those suggestions. But on our part, how can we improve? How can we better manage? So these things we are not taught. In this context, I really appreciate Mr. Nagbhushan, Mr. Deepak and Mr. Kulkarni. These three members, in spite of having kids, they never said that our kids are waiting and please allow us. They never broke the queue. So they are always waiting for others to take the food, and most of the times they were in the last in the queue. So I feel very sad. Suppose my own children, grandchildren, if I had, so how they would have felt if I am eating the food and they are standing in the queue. So I think whenever we travel next time, and if kids are there, we should allow them to take us. And this seating arrangement also. Only today I think Mr. Nagbhushan and family are sitting together. So far they were never allowed to sit together. So that also I feel very bad. So we have also got some lacunae. We should improve. We should never break the queue. And our Indian mentality, whenever we go abroad, we should not show it. So abroad and all, if you are standing in the queue, they will never touch your body. Even with your luggage or with the pushing with the feet, touching the luggage, pushing with the luggage, never they do. So whenever we go for taking food and all, we have to maintain the queue system. We have to be calm. We have to maintain the silence. All these things, these are some of the lacunae which we should correct ourselves and behave in a better manner whenever we go next trip. I think it is little bitter medicine. So please swallow it and please forgive me if you already know these things and excuse me for this. Thank you.
No, sir. Thank you so much for.
ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮರೆತು ಹೆಗ್ಗಿ ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತಗ್ಗದೆಯೇ ಕುಗ್ಗದೆಯೇ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ಹಿಂದಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೈಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ chariot is very good travel. That's what I feel.
Thank you.
Okay. And James is a gem of a person.
Thank you. Thank you.
ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ನೀ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ, ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಉಡಿಯಲ್ಲೊಂದುಡಿಗೆ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಗೂರ, ಉಡಿಯಲ್ಲೊಂದುಡಿಗೆ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಗೂರ, ಕೊರಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ ವೈಜಯಂತಿ ಮಾಲಾ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ, ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ, ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay, hi Chariot. I'm taking a video. Enjoying? Enjoying, ma'am? So you are on video.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Enjoying? Beautiful. Good. 3 cheers for Chariot. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.